Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. After a long time, I'm uploading this video, and I thought that to share another project with you people. So it is going to be an app, a sports-based social app. So the people who are into the sports, they can use this app and display their all the talent, like any kind of sport, be it football, cricket, any kind of sport they are into. They can showcase their talent. Even if it is fitness, they can post their videos. So without wasting any more time, let me introduce you to this app. So basically there is no name as such. You can give any name according to you. I'm going to upload this source code onto the GitHub, so you all people can download it from there. So let me introduce you to this application first, and then let me introduce you to the coding of this application. So let me make it a little bit big so you people can see it. So the first thing which you see is the heading. Here you see an icon to upload the post. Okay, this is the section where you can do the chats to the other people who are into the same industry. And there was also a search feature. You can actually search here. And this is the feed screen, as you can see, which I have named over here as a home. uh, as per your needs, you can name it, or you can just give it a name as a feed. So this is the feed screen. You can see all this post. Also there will be a pagination over here, and you can actually comment here. Let's say I'm typing here test 1 2. So I am done my commenting. Let me post it. Okay, so this is my account and the comment is here. I can actually like this, and the like will also increase over here. You can see 31, so it will be a 32 after I like, and also it get decrease as well. So this is the comment part of this post, and you can bookmark this. It should show the green. It is currently with the dummy data. You can actually integrate an API and make this work as you want. There is also a share feature, there is a like feature, and here you can see the like is actually happening. And on the top section you can see these are the stories. uh, when you click on each stories, it should open a story. This is actually a story section, but right now it is navigating to the that particular person's profile picture. Over here you can see the no updates is showing over here, and when I click on the sample, it should open the sample. So this is a player who plays soccer, and we can see their post, reels, and their tagged section. The followers will also differ according to their followers. Right now it is static, so this person plays a basketball, and let's say this is my story, but I'm actually showing here as a basketball, Kai Johnson. And here is the reel section over here. And when I do the back, I'll again be navigate back to my original screen, which was home screen. There is another section called as search, but actually it is a similar feature like Instagram. They gives explore section where I can actually search for the people or for the community I want to find and search, and then I can actually open this reel. This is actually a reel, and these are the videos. But right now it is navigating to that particular person's profile, and this post will be shown onto that uh, person's profile. So I've actually separated the reel section. Basically, it should open from here, but according to your needs, you can navigate it over there. So we can see the reel section on this side. Here you can see the video is actually playing. I can double tap and the like will animate. This animation is from React Native Reanimated, and when I play this video, you can see this video playing. This is actually a dummy video, not a real API call, which is happening. And also you can see the comment section, similar to like what you've seen on the home screen. If I click on my profile, I'll go to my profile because this is uploaded from my profile, and this should share as well, and also the three dots which you can give an option to edit or save it to the bookmarks and whatever you want to give it. And it will scroll similar to like other social media profiles. So initially it will show the loading section, and after that loading you should see a video. Right now maybe the video's length is more, so it is only showing the loading, but it should work like this. Another section we have is the activity. The activity, you can see who posted a reel, who commented on my reel, who started following me, so on and so forth. So this section we can see over here, and then another section we have, which is the profile section, which is this, the post, the reels, and the tagging, and many more options you can add according to your need. I again tell you that it is a dummy data, so you might see that hey, why it is showing as a post and again it is showing as a reel. So it is a static data, so I have managed to show it over here because I don't have any dummy things to show, and it is also of no use to just show the dummy things more. I am going to integrate it with a real API, with a real database, and going to add some caching to it. And yeah, this is it. So this is the message section. So let's move on to the coding section. Uh, this video is not about I'm going to code it from the scratch because I have already made it. I am going to explain you a bit, uh, and I hope you understand it. And again, I'll upload it to the GitHub so that you people can actually see the code. So when you go to this app.tsx, basically you will see the entry point. The project name I have given as a Reels app, but whatever you want, you can give. So the section starts from here. It's basically wraps under the gesture handler root view, and then it is wrapped under the safe area provider, and then status bar, and then route navigation. The navigation bar which you see on the bottom is actually this file, and there is some kind of animation you can see. Slide from right, you can see there are some screen props. So that is what I have used, and the main screen is this, and another screen will be a chat list, another will be chat detail, another one is comment and user profile screen. So if I go to this section, you can see, so user profile screen, which is this one. So this is a lot of code. You can actually separate it into some hooks, UI and styling. And another screen, if I want to show you, which is chat list, again the styling are included in this one screen. And another one will be chat detail screen, which is same. So let me just give you a brief overview from here, which is these are the assets. Let me close this. This component, which is dynamic icon. Like I have included everything in this one file, and then you can actually use a dynamic icon component like this, and the icon family. So like which family it is, like icons or font awesome. This is the real thing, which is I think empty, and the constant which is for the API consumption. So you can add the API base URL over here, and the pagination, some kind of things constant, like how many pages you want to see. Okay, for pagination. So after the 10th post, there will be another set of 10 posts from the new API. So at 8th or 9th position, you will call another API. So this is the hook, and this is use app navigation hook. This is bottom tab navigation. Again, I told you this is root, and these are the screens, home screen, notification screen. So a very small project which you can actually scale according to your needs. Right now, I made it for the sports uh, persona, uh, or you can say a sports category, but you can actually make it for another category, for let's say people who are into only fitness, like gym, people who are into trekking, people who are into running, like that you can make, and actually you can scale this properly with the backend API. So theme also, it is configurable. If you can see, color, there are the colors. Right now it is a sky blue color I have used. You can actually make it a gradient and make it aesthetic as well. Spacing, there are constants, and typography. You can modify this according to your needs, and this works in iOS as well. You just need to pod install, and then it should work properly fine. And if you face any kind of issue, then there is this GitHub. As you people know, you can join this. The link will be in my YouTube's about section, and in the description also you can find it. And yeah, this is it from my side. So if you have any kind of questions, you can ask me in the comment section, and yeah, we will meet in another video. Thank you.